Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 22nd of September. All right, taking a look at yesterday's markets, we had data come out from the UK. We saw the monetary policy decision. Interest rates went to 5.25%. That was less than the forecasted of 5.5%, and the official voting rates was 4.05. So it wasn't completely unanimous. Consequently, what happened in the market was the cable dropping around about 95 odd pips as a result of that, with the pound losing strength. So the cable, that is the pound US dollar. All right, the only other bit of data that happened was from the US, and it was unemployment claims. That came in better than forecasted at 201,000 claims compared to the 224,000 which was forecasted. All right, let's jump along and move on to our chart of the day. The chart that I'm looking at this morning is the Euro New Zealand dollar. If you have a look at this particular chart here, we can definitely see that we are in uptrend. I did show this chart earlier in the week. Let me zoom in a little bit better. We can see that, look, the bottom line is not so important, but it has provided areas where the market has bounced, and the question is, will it happen again? But more importantly, essentially what we're actually trading here is the trend in itself. So again, we can see that we are definitely in an uptrend. So if I zoom in, let's analyze this. What's happened just recently is the market's come down, and what I'm wanting is, if I focus on these two candles over here and the little blue one, of course that's this morning's candle, which is only around about close to an hour and a half into formation. What I want is those two candles to remain as they are, as an inside pair, which would signal a reversal, and then basically it would indicate that the market's come down. There's my reversal signal. It's happening on this support line in direction of the trend. Then I would be happy to become a buyer in this direction. So let's add this one to our watch list. It should be ready if it remains as if it does provide us that inside candle. It should be ready for Monday morning. Euro New Zealand dollar is our chart of the day this morning. All right, what is on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? A lot of data today. We have, starting from Japan, they will be releasing their monetary policy statement. They don't indicate a time, so the time is tentative for that one. Look out for that. Then at 4 p.m. from the UK, retail sales are due out, and then a whole bunch of data coming out from Europe. We have the French flash manufacturing PMI and their services PMI number coming out at 5:15 p.m. These are Sydney times, of course. At 5:30 from Germany, we have the flash manufacturing and the services PMI number coming out as well. Then at 6:30 from the UK, we also have the flash manufacturing and services PMI numbers due out there. And then at 11:45 this evening from the US, we also have the manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI number due out there. So lots of data tonight. Markets should move around a little bit, so just make sure that you are aware of those times if you're affected by any pairs that you are trading. That pretty much wraps up for this morning, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, I hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I'll speak to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.